Ever wondered how to instantly share your website, social media, or any link in a visually appealing way? Today, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes right inside Canva, and it's easier than you think. First, open any design you're working on in Canva. It could be a poster, a flyer, or even a social media post. Once your canvas is ready, head over to the Apps menu on the left side of the screen. In the search bar, type QR code and select Canva's QR code generator. Now comes the fun part. Enter the URL you want your QR code to link to. This could be your website, a video, or even a document. Canva makes it super flexible. Once your link is in, you can customize the look, adjust the colors to match your design, change the margins if needed, and make sure it blends seamlessly with your layout. When everything looks good, click Generate Code. Your QR code will instantly appear on your design. From here, you can move it around, resize it, and position it wherever it fits best. That's it. Your QR code is ready to scan. Creating QR codes in Canva is not only quick, but it also keeps your designs professional and interactive. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing content, or just having fun with your designs, this little tool can make a big difference. Give it a try today and watch how easily your audience can connect with your content with just one scan.